Let's make a pistachio molded pastry together using ingredients you can easily find at your local supermarket. We'll start with the sponge cake. Beat softened butter with sugar until you get a whiter and smooth bead mass. Add a room temperature egg and continue mixing until fully combined and creamy. Add the pistachio paste and mix again until glossy and smooth. Then fold in the dry ingredients and mix briefly, just until well incorporated. Spread the butter into a mold and bake 15-20 minutes until ready. Replace pistachio paste into a pastry bag. Cut the completely cooled sponge into pieces slightly smaller than your final pistachio shape. Now let's prepare the ganache. You'll need white chocolate. I'm using professional white chocolate by Paris Calibo, but good quality supermarket chocolate will work too. Pour hot cream over the chocolate and add gelatin mass if you like extra stability. Blend until smooth, then add pistachio paste and blend again. Add cold cream and emulsify once more until silky and smooth. Refrigerate for at least 6 hours to stabilize. Whip the ganache until it becomes slightly lighter and forms soft peaks. Then chop the pistachios. I recommend rinsing them first and then roasting for deeper flavor. Spread pistachio paste over the sponge and chop pistachios and seal with a thin layer of ganache so everything holds together during freezing. Now we can assemble the pastry. Spread a thin layer of whipped ganache onto a sheet of plastic wrap. Place the frozen sponge on top. Pipe ganache along the sides to fully cover the insert. Using a small spatula or flat knife, smooth the ganache over the entire surface. Wrap it carefully and shape it with your hands through the plastic wrap. Then melt the glaze in the microwave in 15-20 second pulses, stirring constantly. Add food coloring and mix well. Remove the frozen pastry from the plastic wrap, skewer it or hold in the tip of the knife, and dip it completely into the glaze. Using a paper towel, gently transfer it onto a plastic-lined board. Once it's fully set, move it onto a plate, your favorite plate, and enjoy!